a lesser Hindenburg Omen signal came really close to being given today on the 5th. We'll explain later what the lesser part of the Hindenburg Omen is. I'll go through what a Hindenburg Omen is. First off, we use the NYSE Composite Index, and it must trade above 50 days ago, so that's right here, and 50 days later is up here, so that is satisfied for that. And then what mainstream technical analysts and James Mika, the one that refined this Hindenburg Omen, states is that the McClellan breadth oscillator, the traditional version, must be below zero, and I've changed that. That's why I call it a lesser Hindenburg Omen, to short when the McClellan traditional breadth oscillator is above zero, and I really actually like to see that way up here to short, as on many times that it goes under zero, meaning the McClellan breadth oscillator, and then shortly after it goes under, it comes back up. So if you catch it before it goes under, you have a better chance of exiting if it decides to whipsaw and come back around above zero. And the main criteria is to have the advancers plus decliners added together for the day for the NYSE, so that's 2939, and it should equal 2.8% or better. So you divide 64, the first one up here, the green, divided by the advancers plus decliners, and that comes out to 2.2%, so that's a fail. But then the 86 succeeded, because 86 divided by 2939 equals 2.9%. So it was a really close lesser Hindenburg Omen. And really the only reason why I'm showing it is that the warning should be heeded, that the advancers in green and the decliners in red have come pretty close to being even, and that's how the Hindenburg Omen gets signaled. As you can see, there was a spat of more advancers versus decliners here in this period, and then it starts evening out. You can see that decliners start becoming more and the advancers become a little bit less. This happened in a short time. It usually takes a lot longer than this, but when they become evened out, you'll get the Hindenburg Omen. But I'm just saying that the warning should be heeded, that the advancers and decliners are getting pretty close together as far as being even to each other. And it will be interesting to see what happens in the next few days if this becomes even more even together, and then maybe there could be the 2.8% criteria. But I believe by then that the McClellan breadth oscillator will be under zero if that happens, and that's actually the legitimate signal for the Hindenburg Omen. I just don't like it. I like to get it when it's above zero, meaning the McClellan breadth oscillator.